The arid miracle unveiled. Imagine a desert nation not just surviving, but thriving on water. Not from rain, but from the sea. This is Israel's $10 billion secret. For decades, Israel's story was one of water scarcity. Its history is etched with droughts, rationing, and the constant anxiety of a parched future. The Sea of Galilee, the nation's primary freshwater source, would shrink to alarming levels, a stark visual reminder of a fundamental vulnerability. A long-term, radical solution wasn't just an ambition, it was a matter of national survival. That solution has now been unveiled on a colossal scale. This is not merely another desalination plant. It is a coordinated, national project of revolutionary ambition. With a staggering investment of $10 billion, Israel has engineered a hydrological miracle, transforming itself from a water-starved nation into a global hydro powerhouse. This breakthrough goes far beyond simple infrastructure. It's a complete reimagining of water security in the 21st century. Beyond the blue, desalination's deep dive. At the heart of this miracle lies a profound leap in desalination technology. While reverse osmosis, pushing seawater through membranes to remove salt, is the core process, Israel's secret sauce lies in the refinements that make it breathtakingly efficient and sustainable. The project utilizes next-generation membranes that are far more durable and permeable, requiring significantly less energy to force water through. Advanced energy recovery systems capture and reuse over 98% of the pressure within the system, slashing electricity consumption. Furthermore, innovative intake and brine dispersal systems minimize the environmental impact on marine ecosystems, addressing one of the biggest criticisms of large-scale desalination. The engineering itself is awe-inspiring. Massive facilities like the Sorek B plant, the largest of its kind in the world, are technological cathedrals dedicated to water production. They don't just produce water, they generate a new reality. We are talking about hundreds of millions of cubic meters of fresh, drinkable water annually, enough to supply a majority of Israel's municipal and industrial needs. This isn't a small-scale experiment. It's a full-scale industrial revolution for one of life's most basic resources, born from decades of targeted research and the brilliance of the nation's top scientists and engineers. The economic ripple effect. The impact of water abundance has sent powerful ripples through the entire Israeli economy. The most immediate beneficiary is agriculture. Once limited to drought-resistant crops, Israeli farmers can now plan with confidence, knowing water is a reliable, not a limiting factor. This has boosted food security and opened up new export opportunities for high-value produce. Beyond the farm, water security has become a magnet for industry. High-tech companies, pharmaceutical firms, and manufacturing plants are assured of the stable water supply essential for their operations, making Israel an even more attractive destination for investment. This stability fuels urban development, allowing cities to grow sustainably without the fear of water restrictions. Perhaps the most significant economic opportunity lies in export. Israel is now positioned as the world's leading expert in water technology. The knowledge, engineering prowess, and cutting-edge systems developed for this project are in high demand. From California to Cape Town, nations facing their own water crises are looking to Israeli solutions, creating a multi-billion-dollar export industry in know-how technology and management. Global thirst, Israeli solutions. Israel's success is a beacon of hope for a thirsty world. The United Nations estimates that billions face water scarcity, a problem exacerbated by climate change. Israel's model provides a tangible, proven blueprint. Imagine this technology applied to California's perennial drought, replenishing its aquifers. Envision a network of such plants along the arid coasts of North Africa or the Arabian Peninsula, turning seawater into a source of life and stability. The potential extends to humanitarian crises, where mobile desalination units could provide clean water in disaster-stricken or refugee-hosting areas. This positions Israel not just as a technological leader, but as a key contributor to global well-being. Sharing this expertise is more than a business opportunity. It's a chance to forge diplomatic bonds and address one of the fundamental challenges to human security, offering a powerful counter-narrative of innovation and cooperation. The future flow, a blue planet vision. So, what's next? Israel is not resting on its laurels. the focus is now shifting towards closing the loop with unprecedented levels of wastewater recycling. Already a world leader, Israel recycles over 90% of its wastewater for agriculture. The next goal is to push this recycling technology to a point where water can be endlessly reused in a circular economy, further reducing dependence on natural sources. Research is also underway in even more energy-efficient desalination, including biomimetic membranes that mimic cellular processes and the use of artificial intelligence to optimize plant operations in real time. The story that began as a $10 billion secret project concludes with a vision of global hope. It proves that with determination, innovation, and strategic investment, one of humanity's oldest challenges can be overcome. What Israel has achieved in its own arid landscape is no longer secret. It is an open invitation to a future where water scarcity is a problem of the past, and a blue planet is a secure one for all.